Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made this delicious turkey stew. So please keep watching and do not forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. So first of all, I will go ahead and fry my turkey, and you can do that at your own pace. Fry it to your own taste. I like my turkey very brown, so that is the result I am going to achieve. I'm also going to be using fresh pala fish for this recipe. Fresh pala fish is very delicious when you fry it. Fry it very dried. It hits differently. You want to try that. And this is what I mean by I like my meat very dry and crunchy. And now I'll go ahead and start frying my stew. So to start frying my stew, I'll add a very fresh vegetable oil inside a clean pot and allow that to be very hot. And when my oil is hot, I will start adding in my onion. You can see the way I slice the onion very round because I like seeing onion inside my stew. That is just my taste though. You can slice your onion anyhow you want to, but I like mine this shape. So you want to stir that and stir it so that it will not burn. Just fry that for some minutes, and then you go ahead to add in your tomato paste. You can make use of any tomato paste of your choice, but here I am using the Gino tin tomato. My preference, you can use any tin tomato, like I said, of your choice. So after adding in my tomato paste, I am going to allow that to fry for some minutes. You want to leave it to fry for some minutes, but do not burn it before you start adding in your tomato mix or pepper mix or whatever you call that. And then I'll cover it for some minutes and allow it to cook. Then I'll come back to check and make sure you have this texture. Let the oil come up of your stew. So you just want to stir and make sure everything is totally mixed together. And after stirring, I'll go ahead and add in my ingredients. Firstly, I will go in with my seasoning powder. After that, I'll add in my curry powder. You can make use of any brand of your choice. And what is Temilaya and Mom's food without lasso? I am going to add in my lasso chicken seasoning. This is really nice. If you've not tried this before, you want to try that. It's really nice. So you want to add in your lasso seasoning powder and stir everything together. Make sure you stir evenly, and you want to allow that to cook for some minutes. You just cover and wait for that to cook for some minutes before coming to check. And voila, this is what we have after about 5 minutes, and you can tell that this stew is really well fried. You can see all the oils are already up, and this stew is a bit thick. So this is the time for me to come in with my turkey stock. And now it's time to add in my proteins, and I'll just allow this to simmer for some time, and then our stew is ready. Yay! And please rate this voiceover done by Jennifer Rowland. If you are not subscribed to me yet, please do it to go and check my channel. My name is Jennifer Rowland on YouTube, and yeah, rate my voiceover. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so and make sure to give the video a thumbs up.
cheat on my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. But man got no worries. Just like yesterday.
Lunch is ready.
Mama tell me say make a wise. Anytime I fall like a rise.
Yeah.
She said no big look start
in the bedroom.
I know. Anyhow it be. I got to face my fears. Can't run from it. No stopping me.
I'll get the fork, okay? Shut it up. So that mirror we did there now. How is that aesthetics okay? Remove that mirror from there.
I know go stop, I know go set.
Remove the mirror
my
now.
life is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area. Now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came back on my son.